Morning, campers. Last day in the rainforest. Feels strange saying that. All right, last day out here. Let's see what the rainforest has got left to show us. I could sit here all day just watching this. Guess I've got company now. You never really get used to views like this. They're all different. Huh, someone's camped here before. Looks like it's been a while. Could be a good spot to settle in for the evening. Guess that's it for this one. Last night out here. It's been a lot of storms, valleys, the bridge, but I think I'll miss this place. See you next time, campers.